Here's Mitchell having his lunch. Usually he has his yogurt after lunch. Today we decided to give him his yogurt with lunch. It's probably not a good idea, huh, Mitchell? Mitchell, what happened? What happened to your sandwich? Do you like your lunch, Mitchell? Look at Mommy. Do you like your lunch? No?
No cheese.
You want grilled cheese?
No cheese. No cheese.
This used to be a good lunch.
Mimi. Mimi. Cow. Cow.
Grammy brought you to see a cow? Grampy brought you to see the cow. Was it big?
No.
No. What did the cow say?
It's Baba.
What did the cow say?
Ooh.
Hmm. What's for lunch, Mitchell? What are you eating?
No.
No. How's your milk? How's your milk? That's good. I like your haircut. Who cut your hair?
No.
Nano cut it? I thought Uncle Chris cut your hair. Yes. Can you say Chris?
No.
No, not right now. Maybe later.
Cow. Cow.
I thought you saw a horsey. Can you say horsey?
No cheese.
Yeah, that was fun. What's your favorite show?
Bye.
Wait, I'm not done yet. What's your favorite show?
Mama.
Elmo? He's your favorite?
Baby. No.
What was Elmo talking about today?
Baby.
Babies? What about escuela?
No.
What does escuela mean?
Babu.
Abu speaks Spanish, that's right. Mitchell, what does escuela mean?
Babu.
Yeah, does it mean school? Yeah, it does. It means school. Mitchell's going to go to school someday.
Nano.
Nano goes to school. Mitchell, what will you do at school?
What?
What will you do, Mitchell, when you go to school?
Nano.
Nano, will you read books? Yeah, will you play the guitar? Yeah, let's hear you say guitar. Can you say guitar?
Guitar.
That's good. What's your favorite toy? Mitchell, what's your favorite toy?
Oh, kite. Kite. Kite.
Your bike? You don't have a bike. Do you like your animals? Yeah, can you say animals?
Mimi. Cow.
Yeah, Grampy brought you to see a cow, that's right. What? Yes. What are you saying yes about?
Yes.
Are you saying yes, you'd like to see the cow again? Maybe this weekend, okay?
Mimi.
Yeah, you'll see Grammy and Grampy this weekend. Yeah, we have to be patient. They're working today. Where's Daddy today?
Go.
He's at work. Is Daddy using his computer? What's the sign for computer? Come on, you can do it. What's the sign for computer?
Nano.
Nano showed you his computer last night, didn't he? Do you know how to say computer? Yes, can you do it for Mommy? Very good. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera. Say adios.
Bye.